Renaming a file or folder. Windows gives a default name to any new folder created as new folder. Similarly, for each file, a default name depending on the file is given. For example, default name for a MS Word file is document1.docs. And for MS PowerPoint file, it is presentation1.pptx. Windows gives you an option to give a name to any file or folder according to your own choice. To rename a file or a folder, follow these steps. Step 1. Open File Explorer and locate the file to be renamed. Step 2. Right-click on the file you want to rename.
A context menu appears.
Step 3. Click on Rename option from the drop-down list.
Enter a new name for the file or the folder, then press the Enter key.